As a government, we dey determined to ensure transformation of civil and public service for Edo State. Na Edo State Deputy Governor, Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu tok dis one for the one-day e-governance workshop wey shele for the Information and Technology Agency (ICTA) Hall for John Odige Oyegu Public Service Academy (JOPSA) on Wednesday 5th July 2023. Oga Shaibu wey tok on behalf of Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki come welcome the participants for the one-day workshop wey the Office of the Head of Service collabo with the Information Communication Technology Agency wey dem organize for the e-governance training of civil and public service. E con still assure the transforming of civil and public service to fit global practice.
The world, like they say, has become a global village. It's powerful service delivery to the people and to deploy technology in driving the constitutional mandates of the civil public service as the engine room of government. That the transformation of the civil and public service of Edo State is implemented holistically. Therefore, this workshop is very critical in charting a way forward. Some fundamental questions to be asked and analyzed at this point are: where was the civil and public service before the advent of this administration?
Shaibu Konsti tok say the e-governance na part of the present administration plan to change the civil public service in line with ogbonge world practices wey go help all agencies of government deliver correct services. He Konsti tok say with the report dem dey get, e clear say Edo State government workers happy wella for the digital and paperless system.
If the reports and feedback government is getting in anything to go by, it is expedient to note that employees of Edo State government are very excited to be exposed to the rudiment of running a digitalized and paperless system.
Edo State Head of Service Anthony Okungbowa Esquire come tok say Edo na the only state for Naija wey get digitalized civil and public service.
Today, the public service of Edo State is the most digitalized public service in Nigeria. Beyond investing in the public service infrastructure in terms of e-governance, indeed, government has actually made the digitalization of the public service a step towards ensuring the digitalization of the entire state. And that's why today there is running a contract that is extending fiber optics across the 18 local government areas of Edo State. In fact, Edo State is the only state government right now that is doing that. The direction is to have September 1st as the effective date when we will engage and get involved in completely digitalized governance in this state. That is the reason why we're here today.
Other ogbonge people wey tanda for the event na Edo State Commissioners, Head of MDAs, Special Advisers, Permanent Secretaries, amongst others. From Benin City, Pelumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.